Oh, here we have Mindy. Mindy, how are you? Oh, you're that good? Huh. Are you, liking the weather out here? Huh? You're such a good kitty cat. Yes, you like, this is her, Mindy's favorite tree. It's, a lemon tree. She just likes to take a nap here. Oh, yes. You're such a good girl. Oh, yes. Well, she's a little camera shy, aren't you? Hey, Mindy. Hi, Mindy. Mindy, turn around so we can see you. I want to show them your beautiful eyes. Oh, we got it. We almost got it. Look at that. Okay, well, she's had enough of me, so. Mindy, look up here. Mindy, Mindy. Hey, Mindy, look up here. You know, I'll go away. I'm busy giving myself a bath. Bye.